no? Okay, the first one is a violation of the House Code of Conduct, no? Rule 20, bibigyan namin kayo ng later on, Section 141. The rules provide that, quote, members shall act at all times in a manner that shall reflect credibility on the House. By using his verified official social media platforms to disparage government institutions, Representative Barsaga has dragged not only himself but the House into disrepute. Second, a violation of Republic Act number 6713, Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. The law requires that public officials, quotation, act with justness and sincerity, close quote, and refrain from acts contrary to law, good morals, and public policy. Okay, on the contrary, Representative Barsaga's posts display obscene and abusive content and language aimed at undermining public trust in government institutions. Pangatlo, unethical conduct that potentially violate Article 142 of the revised Penal Code, which is the article on inciting to sedition. Alam mo, nakakalimutan na natin kadalasan. Ano ba itong inciting to sedition na to? No? Siguro, mabuting mapaalala natin sa lahat ngayon what exactly that means. No? Now, itong batas na to, hindi nangyari ito dito sa administrasyon na to. Matagal na ito. In fact, internationally, these are the normal provisions that come in when we talk about inciting to sedition. Oh, his posts do more than just insult the government. They invite disaffection and arguably stoke violence and uprising. Words that weaken confidence in lawful authority and stir contempt for government carry the seditious character that is prohibited by our penal laws. Okay, so again, we'll bring it before the Ethics Committee so that we will know what are the standards of behavior with respect to inciting to sedition. Alam mo, ganito ito eh. Sana dito na lang sa plenary hall niya sinabi yung mga gusto niyang sabihin. Diba? Ang nangyari kasi, linalagay niya sa social media niya, which is actually a public document already. And it is beyond the immunities that we all have here in Congress. Diba? And finally, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service. No? The words and conduct of a congressman are not ordinary. They carry weight, authority, and influence. No? Kasi we are elected officials. No? So when spoken responsibly, they can inspire. When spoken recklessly, they can destroy. By weaponizing his official platform to denigrate the government, Representative Barsaga betrayed the dignity of his office and diminished the very institution he is a part of. Sabi nga ng ibang miyembro namin kung sinasabi niya na puro magnanakaw dito, bakit hindi siya mag-resign? Pero sabi ko, hindi na. Let's not bring it there. I'm not interested in his resigning or not resigning. I'm interested in the Ethics Committee defining for us what are the standards of behavior that congressmen should bind themselves to.